Good morning, dear students. Today we shall learn how to share and review a document. This is your unit number 7 and session number 3. Share and review a document. Share and review a document. Yes, my dear students, in LibreOffice Calc, you can share a same spreadsheet with another users. Same time, you can also do changes in that, and meanwhile, another persons also can do changes in that. If the two persons on the same time wants to do changes, then one thing we have to do, that is we have to share the document with another person by which he or she can do changes in that document. Now first point is here, sharing document. In this session, first point is sharing documents. Means how we can share a document. If we want to share a document, first we open LibreOffice Calc, then we click in menu bar and click on tools. There you will find options. This is when you click on tools, this kind of box will appear, and in this box last point is there, options. You just click on options. After that you will click on LibreOffice. When you click on LibreOffice, first point there you will find, that is share document. Clear, my dear students? First click on tools, options, LibreOffice. In sidebar there you will find LibreOffice, then there you will find share document. Now again I am going to tell another way by which you can share a document, that is direct click on tools, and then there you will find share spreadsheet. The previous method that I told to you, that is how you create different users. Suppose that if you want to share your documents, for that there are the multiple users. First you have to store the record of that user, and after that you are able to share your document. First you click on tools, then options, then you will click on LibreOffice, and then you will click on user. This is the way. When you click on users, a blank form will appear, means where it will ask for your company name, your last name, street address. This kind of fields are there. First you will fill all these fields. After that user created, and when user created, then and only then you are able to share your document with him or her. And how you can share? Just click on tools and then click on share spreadsheet. When you click on share spreadsheet, save as dialog box will appear, and then you have, there is a box for file name. You will write down your file name and then click on OK. When you save the document, then copy of your currently open file save on your documents, and then another persons can open that document and can make changes there. Now next point is here, insert comments. Suppose that, my dear students, you make one table. The table have roll number, name and marks. Clear? And I am a user 1, I make this table. Clear? Any name you can write down. And then you can write down the name, marks here. Clear? Suppose that this is a table that you make in LibreOffice. Clear? Now, suppose that I am user 1 and I insert this data. Now, I want to set comment here. Means, I want to set here as a comment, Kavita marks updated by Neelam Mehla. Then how I can do? Suppose that this is your cell. Just select the cell. And then there are two options for insert comment. First one is by menu bar. By menu bar, you just click on insert. There you will find insert comment, or you can say simple, there you will find comment. When you click on comment, a box appear here and you just write down your comment here. Suppose I write this value entered by Miss Neelam Mehla. And whenever another person just click on this cell, it will show a commented value. Yes, this value is entered by Miss Neelam Mehla. This is the way by which you can insert comment. First method is just click on insert menu, then click on comment. And another one more method is there, that is simply just click in a cell and then do right click. There you will find option insert comment. You just click on insert comment. Again a yellow side border box will appear here. You will just write down the comment and then click on OK. Clear my dear students, how to insert comment. Now next point is how to delete a comment and how to edit a comment. Suppose we add one comment here and now we want to make some changes in that. Editing means first you write anything and now you want to make some changes on that. That operation is called editing. Now I want to edit the comment. Then how I can do? Just click on that cell, right click there. There you will find option edit comment. And when you click on edit comment, your mouse cursor will appear in a particular comment box. And then you can do editing and then click anywhere else in your spreadsheet document. And now next point is delete comment. Suppose you add one comment here. Now you want to delete this comment. Then how you can delete? Just right click in a same cell. Dialog box will appear. Choose delete comment options from that dialog box. Then you are able to delete that comment. Now each and everything I will tell you in LibreOffice Calc. Then this is the. Now I am going to tell you all these options in LibreOffice Calc. In my laptop I will open LibreOffice Calc and then we discuss how to insert comment, how to delete comment, how to make users and how to share a spreadsheet with another person. These 4 or 6 points we discuss in our laptop.